Y'all, excuse my messy bar, but I just wanted to share with y'all this iced coffee I've been mixing up, oh my gosh, probably for the last, month and a half or two. Oh my God. This iced coffee is so good. Make it right at home, and now I'm addicted to the stuff. Why? Why did I do this to myself? I don't know. But y'all, all I have is like Stok's cold brew and almond milk. And then I use these syrups here. These, everybody talks about them. These are the Jordan's Skinny Syrups. And this one, these particular ones, I did order from Amazon. But of course, y'all already know. I mean, why not? It's just so convenient. But y'all, you get these 6 bottles in a case. And I got salted caramel, butter toffee, hazelnut, caramel, mocha, and vanilla. And as you can see, I've been indulging, and really I'm the only one that used these doggone things, and I've drunk them up just about. But as much as I do, because I'm not really a mocha kind of chocolatey kind of gal, but honey, I mix mocha and vanilla together, and you're talking about deliciousness heaven. This is it right here. I am so in love with this, and this is crazy. This is not sponsored. I just love these things, and I just want to share with y'all the goodness, okay? I'm excited about just sharing, and that's what I do. So drink up, have your cup of iced coffee at home. You don't have to worry about Starbucks. It's very affordable and convenient. Okay, just drop your ice in there. I fill it not even half the way up. This is a large cup here. Not even half of the way up with the coffee, almond milk, and top it off with the, syrup. And it's 0 calories in it. That's the other great thing. 0 calories. Let me focus in on that. Boom, boom, boom. All of them. 0 calories, 0 sugars. That's perfect. I'm just saying, get you some of this, okay? And cheers. Thanks for tuning in to Behind the Scenes. Y'all take care. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you pick them up and how you love them. Okay, take care. Bye.